Samut Songkhram, the smallest of 76 provinces in Thailand, and familiar to many as a day trip destination just outside of Bangkok. But if travelling in Thailand has taught me anything, it's that there is always something to discover, even in familiar places. From stunning sights to fantastic flavours and friendly folks, in the smallest Thai province, I've found the most generous of hearts, who reaffirmed my love for Thai food, culture, and her people. We're here at Kha Market. It's one of the few river markets in Amphawa. It's open only on the weekends and during the full moon. Today, it's too bad that it's a public holiday, so most of them are actually back at home cooking for the monks or spending time with family. So there are a few boats on the river, but not too many. But still, we can buy something, we can try some food. I just ordered one bowl of boat noodle, literally boat noodle. Thai boat noodles. Hello.
Hello.
I got your friend. Noodle broth. It's really flavorful. And I like sitting here because next to me she's using charcoal fire and you can just smell all the flavors while eating these noodles. Maximum flavor, maximum ambience. Chilies makes everything awesome. What'd she say? Sugar? I'll just put a little bit sugar. But it's good enough actually. I love it that it's in small portions. So I can just take my day and eat right across down the stream. Kway chap. Okay, let's go. Oh, look at that, the slimy, gooey fat of kway. Nice bowl of kway chap. Let's try the broth. Man, it smells amazing. Oh man, it's so oniony, so sweet. A well-balanced light broth with herbs, with fresh pork. And this is my favorite, pig blood. I would fly to Thailand just for this pig blood. Oof. Now that I'm all charged up and ready to go, it's time to learn the ropes of Thai cooking. I was trained in French cuisine. Most of what I learned is technical, precise, and governed strictly by this phrase: do what I say and not what I do. Packed full of tourists. We're at Maeklong station. It's the last station on the railway. We're actually going to buy some fresh seafood and we're going to bring it to our next place to do some cooking because I'm going to get some cooking classes from a Thai local. Let's go. Look at that, it's like a labyrinth of shops behind the railway market. So just right there is the railway. When each time the train comes at 8:30, at 11, and another one in the afternoon, everyone has to quickly pull back their things to let the train pass, and then half an hour later it leaves and everything goes back to normal. See, look at that. All the stalls are on tracks. When the train comes in, they just pull everything back. Once it's gone, they just pull everything back out. It's ingenious. Oh, the train is coming. I can touch it. Man, this is so exciting. I can't wait to try. On a train. Spartan train. I wonder how old this train is. But you know what? The fan works really well. Over on the other side of the globe, however, Southeast Asian cooking is often free-spirited, colourful, and multi-dimensional. Now, I'm not sure if the perfectionist in me is ready to let loose and go with the flow, but learning Thai cooking in a classroom setting is great for a start. Don't you think so? Kha Thai Cooking School right now. I'm gonna have a quick course in Thai cuisine. I think we're gonna cook 1, 2, maybe 3 dishes. We're gonna eat right here. This place is so beautiful.
my apron, back to the kitchens in Thailand for me.
Another thing you will learn fast in Thailand, never underestimate Thai hospitality. As I'm about to find out, it wasn't just 1, 2, or even 3 dishes.
Today we're gonna cook 5 meals.
5 meal? Okay,
that's
sounds simple.
very easy. Yeah.
Okay.
Trust me, cooking 5 dishes is anything but simple. Even for an experienced chef, Thai cuisine is no walk in the park. The steps are complex, the ingredient list is long, and the efforts required, they were physical, mental, and emotional.
I'm gonna take probably 1 hour before it's good. You know, in Pad Thai, usually when you eat it in the night markets, you think it's such a simple dish because they can whip it up within 1 minute and serve it to you. But actually, if you look here, it's not that easy. You have over 10 ingredients all in one dish.
It doesn't matter which part of the world I'm in, kitchens are always full of action, even in serene Samut Songkhram.
Hey guys, we are right now in Talad, Amphawa. It's the Amphawa River Market. That bridge over there, that one is as old as this market, which is about 100 years old. Now this bridge is not that old, it's only been 20 years, but it's already very iconic of what Amphawa is. Right here you can have at one glance what is Amphawa, the river running through this whole village. You've got people having food right by it, and setting up shops, selling fashion, selling snacks. So what I got here is a little bit of the desserts. Now interesting thing about butterfly pea tea, so if it touches something acidic, it turns purple. It's like a mochi. It's pretty nice. I'm just gonna stay here for a while, enjoy the breeze, take in the atmosphere, say hi to some Thai people, and then I'll catch you back at the hotel.
We're so used to the rush of city life in Singapore and even Bangkok. Once in a while, it's nice to slow down a little. Why hurry? Some things can just wait.